Hello there boys and girls, it's Dee the Jolly Lighthouse Keeper out here at Flagstaff Hill. I've just popped my mask off for the moment just so you can hear what I'm telling you today, because we're going to look at blossom trees. Here's one I prepared earlier. Isn't it nice? Very simple to make. All the ingredients you need are in your bag, except of course for these twigs. Now, you can find some twigs next time the family goes for a walk with your masks on. Have a look around the park. Don't go snapping them off trees, look for them on the ground. Here's a few we've got to look at today, and these are going to look as good as this one when we're finished. Alright, now in your bag you will have a template for cutting out hearts, and you will have all different sort of coloured papers to use. Now, my good friend Kate said, don't stop at hearts, you might find other things to stick on your tree. In fact, I just saw a little flower. Where has it gone? I don't know. But anyway, oh, there it is. So you might put hearts on it, you might put flowers on it, you might even use cupcakes, little patties on it, all sorts of things. It's up to you boys and girls, use your imagination. So, how do we put the hearts on? Well, it's actually quite easy. You get a piece of sticky tape, as so. You hold your twig up, get your heart, put your heart against the twig, like that, and then you put your sticky tape on the back, like that. There's my heart, and I'll just trim off that extra sticky tape so it doesn't get stuck on things. And there's our first heart. Just fold that over a little bit, fold that over a little bit, and there's our first heart on our blossom tree. Again, put another one on. Let's do this one. Get my sticky tape. I'll put it on the back. Oh, now look how it's coming along now. So, use your imagination. You can find all sorts of things you might stick on your tree. Again, your little flower, more hearts, cupcakes. You might even go, you know what? I think that I'm going to work right outside of the circle and pop a bead on my tree. Look at that. All sorts of things. But make one, make two, make three, make four. Now imagine if all of these have the flowers and the hearts on them. Can you imagine how good that's going to look? Once you've done it, we're going to tie some ribbon around it, and we're going to put it in a vase or a jar or tin. Now, some very clever person said, get a big bit of sticky tape to start with and put the sticky tape around the twigs just to hold them on better. It's not a bad idea. There you go. And then to cover up the sticky tape, you get your ribbon. So let's just tie our ribbon around. We'll cover up the sticky tape so no one can see it. And around, 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 and then the other bit, again, around and around. I'm covering up the sticky tape. All the beads fell off. That's right, I can put it back on in a sec. Tie it in a bow. Might make that pretty, put a bow on it like that. And then, I'll show what we do next. So, that's what we're up to at the moment. I'm going to get my bead, put my bead back on. You might put lots of beads on it, or anything else you can think you might like to put on it. Now, once you've got it to that stage, we need to find a vase. Now, you might not have a fancy vase at home, or they've all got flowers in them already. I'm going to use an old coffee tin. Here's my old coffee tin. Now, I would probably get some coloured paper and decorate that tin. And you put your flower tree, blossom tree in like that. Now once what happens when I let go? Oh, it fell over a little bit. What could you do, boys and girls? Well, you could fill your tin with sand or dirt, or if it's a small enough tin, it will hold it up. But imagine that beautifully decorated, that's popped inside it, and that's sitting on a table or somewhere in the house, and people will come in and admire it and say, oh, look at that, I love your blossom tree, and you will smile quietly to yourself and think, yes, I made that. Good luck, boys and girls, and use your imagination. See you later.